Auxito, I think that's how you say it, sent me some lights, and I'm going to show you how to install these LED lights. These are the 194s. I'll compare them to regular ones. You see the difference? So we got them out of the package. Looks like we got a little tool here, probably to help you get them out. The LED one, and this is a regular one, and that's what these replace. So here we are back here with the license plate lights. So we're going to replace that. Pop them out here as little clips, just like that. There's the bulb. Little bulb out. There's our new LED. And now I'm going to test it and make sure we got it in the right way. As you can see, we do got it in the right way, so we can put this cover back on. This clip, slide this way, push that in. See the light difference between the two. It's the old one, it's the LED one. Now I'm going to replace this side, which will be the same thing. Push it. What you're pushing is this little clip here, so you can get it out. Pop this bulb out, just like that. Get our new LED bulb. I got lucky that I've been putting them in the right way. Cover back on. Slide, push. There we go. Both the license plate bulbs got the LEDs now. Packet that I've been using. The next one will be the marker lights on this side, on the rear. So that was the, I think it's pronounced Auxito LED light. They make all different lights. You can put it in your car. You have the website, what you're going to replace, your bulb numbers, and order all through them. I'll put a link in the description below, so you can check those out if you want to put them in your car, and we'll see you on the next video.